Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, certified trainer from Impact Organization and certified data scientist from IIIT Bangalore. Today we will discuss about data visualization market.
Top best analytics tools for data visualization. Today's markup 2020 to 2025 source, Bernard Mayer contributor. Qlik offers a powerful data visualization and business intelligence platform, which is used by over 50,000 customers across the world. The solution is available as a free trial, so you can give it a quick go to see if it seems suitable. QlikSense supports not just powerful data visualization but a full range of analytics services, from data exploration to conversational analytics and augmented intelligence. One of its strengths is the ability to ingest data from multiple sources, including external data from cloud services, to be combined and analyzed together thanks to its flexible Connect and API functions. There is also a strong community, and there are plenty of third-party resources available online to help new users understand how to use it. Dundas BI. Dundas BI is a data visualization and business intelligence platform. It is an easy-to-use tool that allows anyone to create attractive data visualizations and dashboards. Dundas BI can also be embedded into your own existing systems and applications, which makes it an attractive choice for those companies that want to enhance their existing tools with better data visualization and analytics capabilities. This is a dedicated visualization tool geared towards creating charts, presentations, and dashboards for enterprise use. A simple drag-and-drop interface lets you quickly build documents or slides packed with graphical information. Its collaborative working elements are particularly strong, enabling teams to experiment with different data representations in different ways to see what works best. If you need a dashboarding tool specifically designed for infographics, charts, slides, and maps, to plug into an existing analytics platform, Infogram is certainly worth a look. Infogram